Hello children, in this video I am going to teach you how to develop a one-dart skirt. If you know how to develop a skirt block, this method will be very simple to understand for you. So what I have done is I have taken a sheet of paper, and on this paper I have marked a margin on the top side. Divided the sheet widthwise into two parts, and as you would remember, I always say that the right side needs to be marked as front and the left as back. By default, we have to follow this because universally this particular system is followed. After this, after dividing the sheet widthwise into two parts, I mark the length of the skirt as 21 inches. So as you can see from top side, bottom, this distance is 21 inches. So I am now going to mark the points here, that is A, B, C, and on the bottom side it is D, E, F. So A, D, B, E and C, F are the length of the skirt, and that is equal to 21 inches. So we would just put it here with us that the skirt length is 21 inches. As we remember from the previous video, you can also watch that for the skirt block to check for the measurements. So the skirt length here also I've taken it as 21 inches. This is skirt length. And on the block that I am developing, the points are A, D, B, E and C, F. They're all equal to 21 inches. Now after this, I have marked the width. So the back width is AB, and that is equal to back hip measurement, and that is 9 3/8 inches. BC, here you can see BC, it is equal to front hip, and this is equal to again 9 3/8 inches. So after marking the front and the back hip and the length, we need to mark the hip level. That again, if you remember, I told you that the hip level is marked 7 inches below waistline. So do not forget this, because this can always come in your multiple choice questions also, as in at how much distance from the waist is the hip level marked. So I've written here 7 inches. Now we will be marking the hip level from A, B and C, because this is the waist level of the skirt. So we'll now mark hip level, and as I said, it is marked at a distance of 7 inches from the waist level. So I prefer marking on all the three parts, that is left, center and the right portion of the block, so that I end up developing a straight line. So I'm now going to join all these points together, and we'll be labeling them as G, H, and the center one is I. So I have followed the labeling that's given exactly in your book, so that you don't have any problem understanding it. Okay, now you can always refer for steps of construction. You can always check your book for the same. Now I'm going to mark here AG is equal to BI, which is further equal to CH, and this is the hip measurement, that is hip level, and that is 7 inches. Now after this, a little bit of work needs to be done here. So now you need to watch it carefully. So here, after marking I, now 2 inches above I, we need to mark a point I1 or I dash. Okay, so I'm marking I1 as 1 inch. So whenever you are developing the block, the correct way is that you side by side keep on writing the steps. So you do not have to, do it separately. Because once you sketch and then you start writing, so many a times we just forget the writing a few steps over there. Now after this, from A, I have to go down by 1/4 inches and mark a point A dash over there. So 1/4 inches, and this is the point A dash. Now after this, again needs to be written down, so I'm putting it here. So there are a few steps that I'm repeating because this is something that we did in the skirt block development also, but in case you don't want to go to that video, so I am doing it again in front of you. Now after this, the next step is to mark the side points. So for that, what we'll do is from B, we're going to mark points on the both the sides of B, that is right as well as left side, and these points will be marked at a gap of 3/4 inches from B. So एक point यहाँ पे mark करना है और एक यहाँ पर, and दोनों का जो distance है that is 3/4 inches. So B1 and B2. So let us now write down B1 is equal to B2, and this is further equal to 3/4 inches. Now we need to raise this level a little by 3/8 inches. So here just move to the third division after 0 and draw perpendicular of length 3/8 inches over here. So it's going to be a very tiny perpendicular, and we will label these points as K and J respectively. So again, we'll take down the steps here. B1K is equal to B2J, and this is further equal to 3/8 inches. So देखो difference है 3/4 और 3/8 में. मैं आपको स्केल में भी दिखा देती हूँ how to do the marking. So what I'll do is मैं आपके सामने यहाँ पर inches वाले portion में से mark करके दिखाती हूँ. Just say, because you will have to do it on a full scale also. So let's just check that. So this is my 0 point, this is my 1 inch mark, and this is my half inch. ये center वाला half inch है, ये तो हमें सबको पता है. इसके बाद में अब बाकी points नीचे mark कर लेते हैं. ये 1/4 है, ये 3/4 है. As in 0 और half के बीच का एक जो main prominent division होता है, that is 1/4 inches. ऐसे ही हाफ और 1 के बीच वाला एक prominent division that is 3/4 inches. Now अब we need to mark 3/4. So I hope we are clear. 0 से लेके यहाँ से और 3/4 तक, यहाँ तक mark करना है for marking B1 and B2. And when you have to mark 3/8, तो बेटा स्केल में आपने क्या करना है, 1 inch में major 8 divisions हैं इसमें. So what you have to do is you have to go to the third division. यहाँ पे ये third division है हमारा. यहाँ पर this is the 3/8 mark. So you just have to mark it here as 3/8. So now let's move back to our block. Now see, if you have a hip curve with you, that will be a great thing to work with. If you don't have, you can do it freehand also, like what I'm doing right now. So I1 से J join करना है with a curve. So ये hip level है. So I have to curve it like this. ऐसे ही I1 से K तक mark करना है. So you will have to turn the sheet like this and then give a curve from I1 to K. Another way of doing this is कि आप इसको यहाँ से fold कर लो half. तो जब फुल स्केल पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं तो हम ऐसे फोल्ड कर लेते हैं, और वी ड्रॉ दिस ऑन वन साइड एंड वी मूव द ट्रेसिंग व्हील ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. सो ट्रेसिंग व्हील से दूसरी तरफ भी मार्किंग आ जाती है सेम वैसे ही, बिकॉज ये दोनों पोर्शंस इकट्ठा ज्वाइन करते हैं हम लोग फॉर स्टिचिंग पर्पस. सो दैट्स वाई दोनों बिल्कुल बराबर होने चाहिए, इसीलिए हम इस तरह से भी कर लेते हैं. एनीवेज, अब C से J को ज्वाइन करना है, और हमेशा जहाँ पे कर्व होता है सेंटर में तो वो मर्ज करेगा लाइन के अंदर, एंड देन यू हैव टू कर्व इट आउटवर्ड्स सो दैट अ प्रॉपर कर्व इज फॉर्म्ड इन द सेंटर. ऐसे ही K से A1 तक. सो यहाँ बनाने के लिए व्हाट विल डू इज वी विल बी ड्रॉइंग अ टाइनी परपेंडिकुलर ओवर हियर, अ स्मॉल वन, जिससे कि कर्व उसके अंदर मर्ज करे, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट सिंपली merge it with the perpendicular like this. So with this what happens is we are able to get a perfect curve in the center. Now whatever work needs to be done वो इस पोर्शन में ही होगा, स्कर्ट ब्लॉक के पूरे ब्लॉक में नहीं होगा. So we can keep this portion in focus. Now you want to write, please do write down that join A1 to K and C to J with a curve, join J to I1 and K to I1 with a curve for the hip area. Now after this the next point that we have to do here is, अब थोड़ा सा इसमें change है. I am teaching you the direct method of developing a one dart skirt. I will also be teaching you the indirect method also, something that's given in your book. But to be very clear, ये direct method से भी वही बनेगा जो आप indirect से बना रहे थे. So सबसे पहले what we'll do is, in a 2 dart skirt block, we are supposed to draw the dart from the waist at a gap of 3.5 inches. But 1 dart में, because एक ही dart है, so what we'll do is हम यहाँ से 5.5 inch के gap पे ही front में भी dart बनाएंगे. So on my scale, I will be keeping the 0 point on this upper line और 5 inches जहाँ है वहाँ पे एक point mark कर दिया. ऐसे ही यहाँ से straight line पे place किया 0 point, and again 5 inches where it falls, just mark a point and join them together. So it's just a guideline to make us understand that the dart length is 5.5 inches. Don't have to touch it to the sides. Otherwise later on you will get confused कि ये guideline है या ये hip level है कि ये hip level है. So avoid that. Now after this the next point is we need to mark the center front to princess line measurement. So CL is equal to center front to princess line, and this is equal to 2/3/4 inches. If you remember bodies block में भी ये measurement हमने use किया था, so we are using it here also. So C2L 2/3/4 inches. So 2.5 के बाद में जो एक 2.5 और 3 के बीच में एक main division है, that is 2/3/4, and I am marking this point as L. Now after this you have to measure. So CL mark कर दिया. Now measure CJ. ये पूरा curve यहाँ से यहाँ तक measure करना है. So one can make use of a measuring tape, or one can use a scale also like I am doing it. और मेरे इसमें measurement 8/3/4 inches आ रहा है. So you don't have to write down this measurement anywhere. It is only for your understanding. I have taken this measurement as 8/3/4, and the front waistline measurement is 6/3/4 inches. Front waistline is 6/3/4 inches. So we will subtract 6/3/4 from 8/3/4 and we will be left with 2 inches. So 2 inches is the dart intake for the dart that will fall on the front block, and I can label this dart as D1. ठीक है, हमारे रेफरेंस के लिए हम इसको एक नेम दे देते हैं D1. Now what I have to do is L से L1 मार्क करना है and the measurement is 2 inches. बस इतना सा काम करना था हमें. अब उसमें बुक में काफ़ी elaborate method दिया है, मैं वो भी explain कर दूंगी अभी आपको. So what I have done, L से L1 मार्क किया 1 inch और इनका सेंटर L2 मार्क कर दिया. अब L2 से straight down till the guideline, draw this line and now join it to the sides. 1 and 2. बस हमारा वन डार्ट स्कर्ट बन गया फ्रंट का. ऐसे ही बैक में करना है. सो बैक में भी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू मार्क A1N and that is back, center back to princess line. So that's A1N, center back to princess line, and the measurement is 2 5 by 8 inches. So I'll mark 2 5 by 8 first, and then we will go further. And this point is N. Now after this we have to measure A1 to K. जैसे फ्रंट में किया था C to J वेस्ट कर्व मेजर किया था, ऐसे ही यहाँ पर A1 to K मेजर करना है. सो आई एम राइटिंग मेजर A1 to K. सो अब देखते हैं इसका मेजरमेंट कितना है. सो A1 पे रखा स्केल एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग till the other end. So this measurement, this is 9 inches in my case. You will have to check how much it is in your case. It is 9 inches in my case. And the back waistline measurement is 6 inches. This is again for size 34. We have done this in bodies block also. So we just have to subtract 6 inches from 9 and we'll be left with 3 inches here. So 3 inches extra है और इसको label कर देते हैं D2. Dart 2, that is on the back block. So simple. Now we just have to mark N to N1 3 inches. Center will be 1.5 inches. That will be N2. So N1, N2. और यहाँ पर भी डार्ट लेंथ 5.5 इंचेस के डिस्टेंस पर है. सो वेस्ट से 5.5 पर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ गाइडलाइन जैसे फ्रंट में किया था. सो आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग दिस गाइडलाइन नाउ वी नीड टू ड्रॉ द सेंटर लाइन एंड देन द डार्ट लेग्स. And with this we have completed the one dart skirt block. Simplest way to do it is this method. Label it as center front, one dart skirt. Now here again we have to draw the grain line on fold. So this is how we are going to do it. It says cut 1 and this is the front part and size 34. After this we'll move to the back part. This is center back, green line on fold, one dart skirt, cut 1, back, size 34, and we've completed this. Now when we compare this with the method that's in your book, you would find that in that method they're saying that you first develop a skirt block like this that has 2 darts. Now after developing the skirt block you measure CJ, we did that. Mark point CL, we have done that. Now they say that you measure the dart intake of the second dart, that is M1 and add it to L1. So L1 जो है यहाँ L1 से आगे M1 का डार्ट इनटेक ऐड करना है. एंड इफ़ यू रिमेंबर तो दोनों डार्ट्स का डार्ट इनटेक इक्वल था 1 इंच. सो दिस इज़ 2 इंचेस फॉर मी. L1 मेरा सेंटर आ जाएगा एंड आई जस्ट हैव टू शिफ्ट L1 ओवर हियर. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ दे हैव डन. सो एलिमिनेट द डार्ट दैट इज टूवर्ड्स द साइड. ये साइड वाला डार्ट है, इसे एलिमिनेट कर दो और फर्स्ट वाले डार्ट में इसका डार्ट इनटेक ऐड कर दो. सो बेसिकली मुझे फर्स्ट वाला डार्ट भी इरेज करना पड़ेगा एंड आई विल हैव टू ऑल्सो इरेज दीज पॉइंटर्स हियर. सो L पॉइंट रिमेन्स द सेम. L1 को मुझे L2 लेबल करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वो मेरे डार्ट्स का सेंटर हो जाएगा. और L1 बनाने के लिए मुझे यहाँ से 1 इंच और आगे एक पॉइंट मार्क करना पड़ेगा एंड आई विल हैव टू लेबल इट एज L1. अब सिंपल L2 को नीचे तक ड्रॉ करना है बट वो 5.5 इंचेस तक. सो यहाँ से 5.5 पर आपने गाइडलाइन बनानी है। ये पहले वाली गाइडलाइन इरेज कर देंगे। सो इसमें काफ़ी रबिंग हो जाती है, काफ़ी अनटाइडी हो जाता है पैटर्न, सो दैट्स वाई आई थॉट ऑफ showing you the direct method, and then it's up to you. If you have to develop the block, you can develop it directly, but you should know what is the measurement method. So this is a measurement method because in a skirt block we do not have dart manipulation. We shift the dart from one position to another using a measurement method, and in a measurement method we always measure the dart intake of the dart that is towards the side seam. So ये side seam है और ये सेंटर है, तभी हम इसको सेंटर फ्रंट लेबल करते हैं। सो जो सेंटर का डार्ट है वो वहीं रहता है, जो साइड वाला डार्ट है उसको हटा के हम सेंटर वाले डार्ट के डार्ट इनटेक में ऐड कर देते हैं उसका डार्ट इनटेक। सो इट इज़ एलिमिनेटिंग द डार्ट इनटेक ऑफ द डार्ट दैट्स टूवर्ड्स द साइड एंड एडिंग इट टू द डार्ट दैट्स टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर। दैट इज़ इट। तो ऐसे ही बैक वाले में भी करना है। बैक का जितना डार्ट इनटेक है वो यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाएगा and it will become a one dart block. So I told you the simplest direct method. So for practicals you can do it in this manner, but for your understanding what is measurement method, I hope now you are clear that we always keep the dart that's towards the center and we eliminate the one that's towards the side. I hope you like it. Thank you.